Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can develop a sales pipeline tracker in Airtable. It's a tool that will transform your sales operations by giving you a clear view of your sales process and tracking your prospects effectively. First and foremost, create a new base in Airtable. Call it Sales Pipeline. This is the foundation of your tracker, and creating a dedicated base will keep your pipeline organized and separate from other projects. Next up, let's get into the nitty-gritty and create some essential fields. You'll need fields like prospect name, contact info, deal stage, deal value, expected close date, and notes. This helps us because it allows us to input all the relevant details of our prospects, ensuring we have a comprehensive understanding of each potential deal. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the deal stages. Set up the deal stage field as a single select field and add stages like lead, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and closed. The reason we do this is to easily visualize the movement of our prospects through the sales funnel and identify any potential bottlenecks. Lastly, we'll create a view for each deal stage. This allows us to filter our table by each stage and gives us a clear picture of how many prospects we have at each stage. Let me explain why this matters. Having these views makes it easier to prioritize tasks and focus efforts where they are needed the most. And there you have it. You've just developed a sales pipeline tracker in Airtable. This simple yet powerful tool should help streamline your sales process and keep you on top of your game. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.